he will pull one of the envelopes out, and that is the colour of my car.
And guys, this is real. This is the real deal. This is no joke.
Listen, let me just say something. I'm not responsible for that. Yeah? So I'm just putting it out there now, yeah?
You made your bed, you've got to lie in it now. If you're going to play this game, you've got to be up for it.
Does it matter now? It's here. Let's
It's
go.
here. Let's just
Come
do it.
on,
You ready?
Let's go.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I like it personally. I like it.
I'm not so sure.
No, I do.
I was all excited at first.
Talk to me, what's going on?
It looks horrendous. What the hell are we going to do? We're at YIANNIMIZE, we're at Urban. What a fantastic morning, because the brown Lamborghini Turdis will be no longer. Do you know how many people are actually messaging me now saying, I love it?
Listen, it's like fungus. It's grown on you.
Yeah, it has.
It grows on you. It's
I'm not going to lie though, I'm gassed to see what the hell you do with this car.
This is going to be special.
It's just there. Can't miss it.
So you get a surgery.
Tell me about it.
So we are back with the worst looking Urus in the world. And I have the owner, Steve, with me. Hi, Steve.
How are you, mate?
How are you?
Not happy?
Let's listen. Let's
Rewind to my
rewind.
reaction.
Right, so let's do a quick recap. You allowed anyone to choose the colour of the car.
Yeah.
And what was weird is the envelope that I chose was actually your choice. When you picked up the car, you were happy.
I won.
You won. So it was your colour, your choice, yours combo.
Yeah.
And then you went to eat and you started reading the comments.
Yeah.
And your face went,
People are not liking this colour whatsoever. A little bit of that is true. Most of it was, I won because I like to win.
Yeah.
So out of all the envelopes, I won.
Yeah.
So I'm gassed, so I'm there. Then when I started to look at the car, I saw the orange calipers with the brown, the black bonnet, and I looked at it, I was like, I don't know about this. Then the comments, people were like, the worst looking Lamborghini Urus in the world. What is wrong with the owner? Money can't buy taste.
that's you, but it does buy an Urus.
It does buy an Urus, yes. And I was like, you've got a bit of a point. It does look a bit shitty, but it's growing on me now. A little bit.
It's growing on him now that he's brought it here for me to mess around with it. So he's turned up, we're in Milton Keynes today, and there's a reason why the car doesn't quite look right. There's a few things. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to send you outside. We'll go out there, we'll have a coffee, and I'm going to put the car in the workshop. And I'm going to do a couple of little changes while we're waiting here that can be done fairly quickly,
Okay.
which will totally change the look of the car. And then you're going to look at that, and then I'm going to send you on your way back to Brum.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do what I need to do to make this 100% correct. But let's not get it twisted. This was based on Travis Scott. The reason Travis Scott car looks so good, he had the kit, it was wide. And with the S, it looks like the front's missing. It looks like the front fell off the car. So the black bonnet can work, it doesn't work. The brown works really well. So if the car was all in brown, I think it would work. But then when you've got the white wheels, the orange calipers, the black bonnet, the brown car, the carbon. So what we're going to do is, we're going to wait for that to stop. Steve's going to go in there. I'm going to move this car into the workshop. And we're going to be on it for about half an hour, I reckon.
Okay.
And then I'm going to bring the car back out. Okay? And this is going to be like stage 2. So this is stage 1. We'll call stage 1 a question mark. Okay. Stage 2 is going to be better. And then stage 3 is going to be game changer. So stay with us. But Steve, I'll send you in here, my friend. Okay? And I'll see you in a minute.
It's in Yanni's hands. Do I trust him? Well, he ain't at the top of his game for no reason. That's like him giving me the keys to a development and saying, do something with this. I know what I'm doing. He knows what he's doing. The car's coming back. Let's see. think, have we? So what can they have done in the short space of time to change that car? There's only wheels that I can think of in my head. Because there's no way they've been able to put a front grille on. And there's no way they've been a grille, front splitter. They've not been able to re-wrap it. They've not changed the brake caliper colours. You think they're going to come in and it's going to just be a complete new... Do you think he's just going to say, Steve, just buy this car, it's a new one? Just a complete different car to mine?
So this is a quick makeover, just for people to understand that the colour actually does work.
Okay.
Just needed a little tweak, okay? So I'll let you come stand around here. Let you come stand here, sir. Okay, so this is stage 2 tweak, yeah? Right there. Wow. Tweak. Done.
You've added the front splitter, you've changed the wheels, and you've put the bonnet to the same colour as the car. Wow.
Just a slight tweak already.
What's everyone think? Guys, what you thought? It doesn't look like the same car, does it? Wow. Okay.
Do you understand what I meant about the car? It was missing its chin. It had no chin, it had no face.
Yep.
It was like they finished the car and they were like, we forgot to put something on the front of the car. And that's the problem with the Yes. Some come with it, some don't. Your car didn't come with a chin, and it was like, it just looked like it was missing something.
Yeah.
And I said, this is only part 2.
So I've kind of got in my head what part 3 is now. I've kind of got it in my head. So I'm even more excited now to see what it looks like finished. But I do want to change the colour.
Oh, I was changing the colour anyway.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. The car's being stripped. The minute you leave here, that's the only thing I'm going to tell you is, car's being stripped.
Yeah, I do want to change the colour now.
No, the colour's being changed, but this was more for yourself and for people at home that kept saying the brown didn't work.
It does work.
It does work.
I'm
Not bad
impressed.
for what, 20 minutes worth of work?
20 minutes worth of work. So I'm presuming I'll come back at the end of the day.
Yeah, it'll be done.
And the car's ready. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm actually happy with that.
Oh, it looks good,
I'm not going to lie, I'm happy with that now.
It looks good now, doesn't it?
But yeah, I'm excited to see what you do.
Bro, wait, here's Lenny. Here's Lenny's line.
Well, that looks 11 out of 10 times better. Mic drop. You like that, yeah? I just save your video. Like, yeah? You're welcome. You're welcome. I'll leave that with you. I'm going to go and get all this.
Totally different, isn't it? How good does it look now?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
All right, so at least you've seen it now and you know the potential of what it can be.
Yep, that's what it is, guys. Now it's for Yanni to prove why he's the best at what he does. He has free reign of that car.
It won't be brown or orange.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Happy days. Magic. So far.
Yep.
I'm happy.
Good.
I need to know the colour.
Okay, you've been killing me. Right, you ready?
I am ready, yeah.
The colour is